All right, that's my analysis for biotech. Let's move on to gold, what everybody's interested in. So here on the daily chart, let's just form our thesis for a long term. This goes all the way back to 2012. And we can see that we have this horseshoe kind of pattern going on right here. I think this is interesting. I've kept these lines here, and I'm happy I did. Let's go ahead and show why this is significant. So we see bounce, comes up, bounce, 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 and then we come all the way back up there. We do have this long-term overhead resistance line, which was rejected over here back mid-2016. We've been trying to recover ever since. All right, so that's just on a longer-term time frame. You can see from this horseshoe pattern what I'm kind of expecting to happen. So we move all the way up here, and we fall back down and bounce again. And I kind of think that we're going to, move up and, probably, try and touch this horseshoe again at some later point in time. All right, so let's go to the 2-hour chart. So we can see that we set in our Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we came back down and we set in what I'm predicting to be a symmetrical triangle that's bullish, unlike the other symmetrical triangle that I found here today, where price had gone downwards leading into the trend. This price moves upwards leading into the trend. So we've got a move right here at touch, and we set in our resistance line. This has already been a well-defined resistance line. We move back down, set in our A, which is our support line, B, C, D, E, breakout, retouch, and then move higher. So from the chart, we've got an A, B, C, D, E, and we just started moving upwards here. Let's zoom into the 15-minute time frame. Actually, let's go back real quick and just note that the, all right, let's go all the way to the day. So on May 30th, TradingView had 15 bulls and 8 bears. And on May 26th, the chart guy's sentiment was bull momentum. We'll probably make a lower high, pull back, and then might break out. So taking that into account, let's see what we've got going on here. So we've got our DE, and then I saw a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave. And then I think that we saw this head and shoulders take place here. And we obviously broke through that resistance. It wasn't defended. From this 5th wave, we have our A, B, C, which are our lowest point. It comes down and is supported by this 50% Fibonacci level. Let's go on to the 1-minute chart. And we can see this lovely divergence for a bear on gold. We have RSI moving downwards here while price moves upwards. And we can see it take effect, and it just dumped all the way down. Next resistance zones, or next support lines, I should say, are going to be 61.8%, which we're basically touching right now, and then all the way down to 50. Given the current price action, my theory is that we're going to bounce here at the 61.8, might move a little bit higher, but not much. And then I think that we're going to fall down here and retouch this 50%. And then we might even, bounce again and move up down to this 38.2%. And that is my thesis on gold for the short term. Again, medium to long term, I do have the case for a bullish move approaching. Anyways, this has been my analysis on 3 times leveraged ETFs, and I wish you the best of luck in trading for the next coming day. If you like my videos, you want to see tomorrow's update, please like or subscribe. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.